If you're looking to get more vitamin C into your diet, you might think of sources like oranges and strawberries. But guess where else you can get a lot of vitamin C? Green beans. In just 1 cup of green beans, you'll get over 16 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 25% of the recommended daily allowance for vitamin C. Crazy, right? They're a great source of other essential nutrients like folate. But even if we know they're good for us, we may not know how to cook them in a way that makes them really tasty. Boy, do I have a recipe for you. I'm going to show you how to make sautéed green beans that are to die for. Hi, I'm Christine Waltermeyer, and I'm the founder of the Natural Kitchen Cooking School. Here on Christine's Natural Kitchen, I bring you recipes every week that are as delicious as they are healthy. Okay, let's sauté our green beans. So I'm going to thinly slice 1/2 of a red onion. So now I've heated a cast iron skillet over medium heat. I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil and add my green beans just by themselves. Just going to keep them moving around in the hot oil. And I'm going to cook these by themselves for 5 minutes before adding any of the other ingredients. After a minute of stirring them around a little bit, I'm going to cover them and cook for another 4 minutes. And you can stir them once in a while. This is going to help them to blister up a bit. After 5 minutes, you'll have some nice blistering, and that's when you can add your red onion. And the garlic. Add the salt and pepper. And give it a good stir. At this point, we're going to add a small splash of water. Cover it and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes until the green beans are nice and tender, stirring it once in a while. So now you can see that the green beans have gotten a nice little blistering from that initial cooking process. And they've gotten nice and tender. The red onion has softened up nicely. And this is looking and smelling delicious. Wasn't that recipe quick and simple? You'll be amazed how much flavor it has, so I hope you get to try it yourself. They even make a great snack, so you might find yourself munching on green beans instead of a bag of chips. Comment below what your favorite vegetable is. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. When you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll find out about new cooking videos when they come out every week. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!